Hello, students. The topic of the speech is Independence Day. Respected teachers and my dear friends, Happy Independence Day to all. 15th August is not just a date, it's the story of India's courage and sacrifice. For centuries, India was ruled by the British. But freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Chandrasekhar Azad, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many others led a great movement to win our freedom. Some fought with weapons, others with words, but all of them had one dream: a free India. Today, that dream is alive. India is the world's largest democracy. We are among the top 5 economies. Our scientists are exploring space, our youth are building startups, and our farmers feed millions. India is known for peace, culture, and unity in diversity. Our tricolor flag is respected all around the world. The future belongs to us. We, the children, must build a cleaner, smarter, and stronger India with honesty, hard work, and love. Let's be proud to be Indian. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
Don't forget to subscribe.